Suffering from slow straight talk home internet? You can improve speeds by optimizing quality of service and Wi Fi channels. QoS prioritizes bandwidth for devices like gaming consoles or streaming services. Access the Verizon Smart Home app or router web interface to enable QoS and set rules. For channels, use a Wi Fi Analyzer app to find less congested options. On 2.4 GHz, try channels 1, 6, or 11. On 5 GHz, use DFS channels. Switching can boost speeds by 20 to 30%. Router placement is critical for optimal straight talk home internet performance. Ensure line of sight to Verizon 5G towers by positioning the router near a window facing the tower direction. Place the router centrally in your home to distribute signal evenly. Elevate it above ground level to reduce obstacles like furniture or walls. Avoid placing near interference sources like microwaves, which can disrupt Wi-Fi signals during operation. Steer clear of thick walls, metal objects, and other barriers that attenuate the 5G signal. For larger homes, consider using Wi-Fi extenders or mesh systems to eliminate dead zones and ensure coverage throughout. After making placement adjustments, test your speeds with an app like Speed Test to quantify improvements. Optimal placement can yield 15 to 40% gains in performance.